Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chicken empanadas. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need chicken breast, empanada dough, Queso Quesadilla Cheese, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, red onion, cilantro, diced tomatoes, diced jalapeno peppers, chicken broth, Creole Seasoning, Adobo Seasoning, Cayenne Pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, smoked paprika, crushed red peppers, and parsley flakes. Begin by cutting 2 chicken breasts in half. Chop 1 green bell pepper. Next, chop 1 red bell pepper. Slice 1/2 of red onion. Chop up some cilantro and place to the side. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the peppers and onions. Season to taste with Creole Seasoning, Adobo Seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, salt, crushed red pepper, and parsley. Give it a good mix. Next, add a tablespoon of olive oil to the chicken breast. Season to taste with Creole Seasoning, adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, crushed red pepper, salt, and parsley. Mix well. In a skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil and sear chicken for 5 minutes on each side until done. Remove the chicken from the skillet. In the same skillet, saute the veggies for 5 minutes. Next, shred the chicken. To the veggies, add 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Add 2 teaspoons of diced jalapeños and mix. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cilantro and mix. Add shredded chicken and mix well. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and mix well. Season to taste with Creole Seasoning, Adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Mix well. Now it's time to make the empanadas. Begin by placing a tablespoon of cheese and a tablespoon of chicken in the center of the empanada dough. Fold the dough to one side, pressing the edges together. Press the edges together with the back of a fork. Next, fry the empanadas for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. And there you have it, chicken empanadas. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.